Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. We're going to change the battery on our 5-button smart key here with the air suspension. This task here, you can use a small Phillips. You will need to take your key ring off the side. Go ahead and flip the remote over on the back. You'll see your little release. Go ahead and hit your release and it will pop open and it releases the key. Go ahead and flip your remote and you will see there's that little indentation here. Go ahead and put the key, emergency key blade in there, and when you do, just give it a slight twist. The remote opens up. When you pull the two apart, you're gonna have two halves. Here's your housing. Go ahead and lift on the remote. You'll see there's a plastic on the inside. Just slightly pull it off and that comes there. You can go ahead and tilt the remote over on its side. Here's your circuit board, here's your battery. Go ahead and bend the rubber away. I prefer to use a flat tip screwdriver. I don't have the fingernails to do this. Go ahead and slide your battery out, which is your 2032. And if your remote has not been opened up or messed with, molested, you can turn around and try to get it to go in. Sometimes they won't, and you'll have to use a flat tip to get under there. But this one here doesn't seem to give me no problems, so we'll slide the battery back in, push down your circuit board, take the front half of your remote housing, put your two pieces back together, then put your circuit board housing inside the front of the remote, and we'll take the two halves of the remote, go ahead and line them up, and slowly and gently squeeze going around it, and you should hear that magical little snap. Go ahead and put your emergency key blade back on, put your keys back in, and you've just changed the battery on your 5-button smart key. Thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's go ahead and be safe out there.